it's giving. Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Skye Alyce J, and I'm back with another video. So today's video is just gonna be a tutorial, just a chit chat while I do my hair, tutorial on how I install this 24-inch closure wig. So if you would like to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned. See you guys in a bit. All right, y'all, so let's get right into the video. So first things first, I'm gonna lay my edges down because my edges are sticking up a little bit. So I'm using this Murray's Edge Wax. This is not like the super hold one. It's a little bit more like a gel, I would say, as opposed to the edge control. So I'm just gonna take it and just lay my edges down. Even though this is a closure wig, I still want like my edges to be laid down because I'm gonna put the cap on my head. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on the stocking cap. So to get the cap to stick or whatever, I'm gonna use a combination of lace glue as well as the Got to Be Glued freeze spray. I used to just use the freeze spray by itself, but it don't really be working that good by itself. Honestly, the cap always ends up rolling up. So I'm just gonna put on some lace glue to melt the cap basically to my hair. And I'm just using the comb to smooth it out. Just making sure that it's like really good in the middle because that's where my part is gonna be. So I'm just gonna let this dry for a couple minutes or whatever, and I'll see you guys when it's dry. So I'm gonna use my blow dryer to speed up the process, and so this part can hurry up and dry. Okay, so it's pretty much dry, but while it's drying, I'm just going to sew my cap down. Just sew it around here so it don't really go nowhere, because sis needs her hair to be protected, because sis hair is growing, it's flourishing, it's nourishing, all that. So I don't need my hair getting all jacked up under this wig, okay? So I'm just gonna sew this cap down while I'm waiting on my hairline to dry. Alright, y'all, so I went ahead and I sewed my cap down. So now I'm just gonna take some powdered foundation, just put it on my hairline or whatever, just to make it more closer to my skin tone, because you can pretty much see through it. So I'm just gonna take a brush and just, before I cut it, just put on this, and this is really what's gonna give it like that bald effect when you put the makeup on the hairline like this. So that's what I'm doing, sis. Now that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the cap. So I'm really just gonna start from the middle and work my way up. So and you want to try to get as like close as you can, because you don't want it to you know, you don't want it to roll up too much on the end. So you want to make sure you're like cutting it as close as you can to your skin, so that it's like not all lumpy. What do you guys think? I think that looks good. It's giving very much alien. It's giving very much we are not the same. I am a Martian. You know, it's giving Scalpiana. You know what I'm saying? So now for the good part, I want to give a special introduction to our special guest of today's video. It's my wig. Yeah, let's clap it up for my wig. Here she is. Sis looks a little rough right now because I washed her and I let her like air dry. But sis is about 5 bundles, because you know I got a big ass head, so you know 3 bundles just don't be cutting it. Even with a frontal, like I need to have more than 3 bundles in my head, because I just need the fullness or whatever, and my head is big as fuck, so you know. But sis is 5 bundles. She's 24, 22, 22, 22, 22. You get the gist. So it's 4 22-inch bundles and it's 1 24-inch bundle. The reason why it's only 1 24-inch bundle is because I ordered this hair offline. And when I originally ordered it, I ordered 4 22-inch bundles and then the closure, a 20-inch closure. But I just felt like I needed one more bundle because I just wanted to give it like some more length. So I did end up getting an additional bundle, which was 24 inches, and I put it on here. So sis is full. Sis is real full. So we gotta put her on. Let's get it popping. All right, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and put her on. I actually did a really good job of making this wig, because look, sis is giving Scalpiana. Okay, sis is giving Rihanna forehead though. Okay, my forehead looks big as fuck right now. Okay, let me pull her down a little bit. Yeah, because sis forehead was looking big. But yeah, sis is giving what needs to be gave. And this closure, y'all, it's so narrow. Well, I guess not really that bad, but it's way more narrow than like other closures I've worn. But yeah, this wig is like, I did a really good job making this wig, because it's like fitting perfectly. Like it fits on my head perfectly. So I think that I'm gonna actually sew this wig down, because I don't like to take my wigs off at night, because I just feel like, I don't know, it just make me feel like my hair is not done when I take my wig off at night. So I'm gonna sew this onto my head, and hopefully my head don't be hurting too bad, because this cap that the wig is on has like a really thick band around it, so hopefully it doesn't make my head hurt. But you know, I don't need my wig falling off, you know, when I be doing stuff. So I don't need my wig falling off. That's embarrassing. So I'm gonna secure the wig. I'm gonna secure my wig down and I'll catch y'all after I secure it. I'm just gonna sew it around the back and around the sides, okay? All right, y'all, so the wig is secured and I know I look kind of crazy right now, but I'm just gonna pluck it just a little bit, like right up in this area, just so it's not so full looking. What I'm about to do is I'm about to glue the wig down. This is just a wax stick that I got from the hair store. I like to use this when I'm laying down like closures or frontals. This is really good for just for smoothing the frontal out. But before I do that, I'm just going to go ahead and glue down this closure. So now I'm just gonna go and I'm just gonna cut the lace a little bit. And sis is coming along. I'm just gonna take a little bit of glue, like in the parts where it's still sticking up. The lace is like not completely laid down. So I think the closure looks pretty good. It's giving Scalpiana lace wear, you feel me? All right, y'all, so now that we've got that done, I'm just going to lay who said you call me, you said something like what? It's giving, and I haven't even done shit to it yet. So let me know what y'all think I should do with my hair. Should I put like my infamous like curls, my little Kim Kardashian curls, or should I just flat iron it and go with the bone Nicki Minaj straight? Let me know what I should do. Even though I'll probably make up my mind before this video even goes up, but let me know like what y'all should do. I think I'm gonna go with the Nicki Minaj bone straight today because it's only right. Sis just re-released her old mixtape, you know what I'm saying? So it's only right that I do the Nicki Minaj bone straight today. Got the middle part going. Let's get it together. Like, sis is giving, and I'm just so hyped because first of all, I've had braids in my hair for like the past month. Second of all, I don't know what's been up with my hair lately, but like last time I tried to like wear a closure with a middle part, it was just not giving. It was not giving what it needed to give. But today, sis is looking cute. Sis is looking real cute or whatever. So I'm just taking this wax stick, smoothing it out a little bit more before I apply the hot comb or whatever. So one thing I love about my hot comb is it's nice and broken in. Like, if your hot comb ain't looking dirty and rusty like this, then it don't work good enough. it's like the older it gets, the better it works. So yeah. So I'm just gonna take it and smooth out my part. Not smooth out my part, what am I talking about? Smooth down the closure. Ooh. I always do some dumb shit like that. I literally just put my hand right on the damn fucking hot comb. What is wrong with me? I'm getting too excited. And let me tell y'all, I did my friend Ebony. If you're watching this, Ebony, hey girl. But I did my friend Ebony hair the other day. And her hair, she has on a closure wig like this too. Or whatever, and she just really made me like wanna do my hair. So we about to be looking like twins, like. But we always, it's crazy because me and my friend Ebony, like, we've been friends for the longest since like high school. And like even in high school we used to always end up wearing our hair the same way. Like even like, y'all remember when it was like when everybody was like shaving their hair on the side, like when Rihanna had the half shaved hair and then the sew in on this side with the side bang and the swoop and the curls. We had our hair like that at the same time, child. We just always looking alike. But that's my girl. So hey Ebony girl, love you. But she really made me want to do my hair, because I was doing her hair and I was like, girl, like your hair looks so good, you making me want to do my own hair. And here I am doing it and doing it and doing it well. Alright you guys, so I had to change the battery on my camera. But so hey y'all, for the sake of this video, so it won't be too long because I know y'all got a short attention span or whatever, but I didn't want to make this video too long, so I'm just gonna cut the video right here. Basically, I was just showing y'all how I installed my wig. The next video is gonna be more like a chit chat while I style my wig. So the next video will be me actually flat ironing and styling the wig. So please stay tuned for part 2, and I love you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. I will be hitting y'all with more content because I won't lie when I said I was here for a long time and a good time. So if you guys enjoyed this video, I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching.